In today's video I want to change this part. This is from brake caliper, the spring for the brake pads and the caliper safety bolt. Okay, in my case this safety pin which come here through this hole are rusty and it's break it on the hole, and I will put a new one. And one of the caliper is missing one of this spring, and this is the bracket for the exhaust in front of the car, which is diameter 52 millimeters. In back on a final exhaust it's 48. This is 52. So let's change these parts. Okay guys, so everything is rusty here. We have new brake pads because the car was on inspection road yesterday. I need to change the disc brake in a couple of days. I will put new disc brakes, but now this video is for caliper. So here is the safety bolt with no pin lock. Okay. I will squeeze a little bit to piston go back in a caliper. Like that, it's enough. And now you can do this and change the brake pads if you want. Okay, let me bring the new parts. So you have two plates here with the gap in upper side, like that. This is for right side, and this is for left. You have here this guide to the inside, right and left. Okay, not like that. No, not with gap inside, with gap outside. Okay, now let's put it on a caliper. You must clean here the surface of the caliper. This car was abandoned for 2 years. That's the reason why it's so rusty. You will put it like that. It's a little bit hard, but possible.
Okay. Now it's on place. Now put back the new bolt. Now the spring is very hard now, and you need to push hard the caliper. I want you to see what I'm doing here. Okay, the bolt is in, and now you can put the safety pin in the hole like that. Maybe I will turn the bolt a little bit because I don't like it. Like that. Okay, let's see now. And that's it, guys. The safety pin, it's new and back in place. Now I want to put a little bit of grease inside the pin to prevent the pin rust again, and here too, because the caliper is moving like that. Now we're gonna put the spring back, the pin. Okay. And that's it. That's it here. Let's move to the next job. So the next job is the bracket from the exhaust. You have there a nut. In my case is with 17. This is bracket from the rear, from the bottom. Final exhaust is too tiny for front one. I will show you now. So I have it 48, but I need 52. Okay, let's put the 52 now.
It's hard to do this job with one hand. I take my gloves down. Yeah. One is good. I have another one here. On this time it's with 13. Okay. So that's it, guys, with the exhaust bracket. And now we're gonna put the bolt on the caliper to the right wheel, right brake.